ECT-240 operation demo. Insert the battery. The head can rotate 360 degrees. Open the head and install the crimping adapter. Install the crimping dies. Press the start button. The tool will automatically reset when the pressure reaches the rated level. During crimping or cutting, press the pressure release button to reset. Crimping demo. Open the clamp head. Place the crimping material. Close the clamp head and press the start button. The dies will close and automatically reset after reaching the rated pressure. Note: the crimping material must match the die. Remove the crimping module and install the cutting pad. Install the ECT-240 blade. Demonstration of cutting a 17mm cable. Remove the ECT-240 blade and replace it with the ECT-240 blade. Demonstration of cutting a 22mm diameter insulated wire.